Hello, I hope you're well. So today's tapping video is to help you with procrastination. We all procrastinate, and did you know procrastination is stress in disguise? It's easier to do this, that, and the other rather than do the task at hand. So we're going to help you let go of procrastination today, which is fabulous. Have a little think about why and when you procrastinate. Is it to do with work? Is it to do with a task? Is it a big project? And how does that affect you? What do you do differently? Just have a little think about that for me for a moment. Let that rattle around a little bit and kind of give that a number. 10 out of 10 procrastinate all the time. It's a massive issue and it really, really stresses you out. Or 0 out of 10 is no procrastination at all. Maybe think of a specific issue, something that's going on presently, and just notice how that feels in your body, where you might feel that as well. Okay? So even though I procrastinate and it affects me and my ability to do my tasks, I'm going to see if I can let some of this go today. And instead, I choose to accept me instead. I just have all this tendency to procrastinate. I put things off. But instead, I'm going to see if I can let it go. And I choose to love and accept me now. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. But the amount of times that I procrastinate, and it really has an effect on my life, and then I end up beating myself up. I'm going to see if I can let some of that go. All the way back through my past. And instead, I choose to love and accept me now. Sending love and acceptance all the way back through my past. All this procrastination. I just spend so much time procrastinating. And it has such a huge impact. I'm not able to get tasks done. I put things off. And then it makes me even more stressed. And then I beat myself up. All this procrastination. It's having such an effect on my life. I just want to be able to get this stuff done. I just want to be able to deal with this task in hand. I just want to focus. I want to focus on this task. I want to see the end in sight. But I end up doing anything else that I can. Any other jobs or chores. It's easier to do them than the task at hand. Or I might spend some time on social media. Before I know it, half an hour's gone by. And there's some more wasted time. All this procrastination. It goes all the way back through my past. Feels like a really familiar pattern. What if I could just let this go? What if I could be open to letting this go? What if I could start to break this pattern? Maybe procrastination's just stress in disguise. What if I could let go of this need to procrastinate? What if I could tap into feelings of focus? What if I could tap into feelings of success? Maybe I don't think that I'm going to succeed. Maybe it's easier to put things in the way. Maybe I don't feel as good as the next person. I'm going to start to let all this go. I don't need to hold on to all this old rubbish. I don't need to hold on to these stories that I tell myself. Maybe I can let go procrastinating. Instead, I choose to be focused. I choose to tap into a focused mindset. Just visualising, seeing myself getting this task done. I can do this. I can do this. I can get this done. I can achieve this task. Letting go of this need to procrastinate. It's just an old pattern. It's just an old story. I'm going to let it all go. I choose to be in a focused mindset. I choose to be fixed and determined on achieving this task. I'm going to absolutely smash it. Goodbye procrastination, you're a thing of the past. I don't need you anymore. You're not my friend anymore. So I choose to release and let go now. Through every single cell in my body. That's brilliant. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And again, checking that number, is it still the same? I should hope it's gone down. Are you feeling as if you're going to procrastinate? Spend half an hour or 2 hours or 5 hours on social media. Get the task done. You can do it. You're amazing. You're a success. I'll see you next time. Take care.